Okay, so we all know GoPros are fantastic cameras with respect to how portable, powerful, rugged, tiny they are, even with respect to how easy it is to actually use them on a daily basis. And what makes them even more special is the fact that you can connect them to your phone, transfer your files to your phone, start editing any of the images or videos that you've taken on your GoPro on your device and share them instantly. And all of this happens through the app. Another feature about GoPros that I absolutely love is the fact that they keep getting software and firmware updates from GoPro itself so that your GoPro, no matter how old it is, keeps getting supported and keeps getting better over time, because these software updates will eventually take out all the bugs within your camera, will also give you newer features so that you can use and implement in your filmmaking, and just make your GoPro a lot more stable for prolonged periods of use. There are these particular moments when your GoPro refuses to connect to your app, and that's not unusual. It does happen a lot. That's basically because of software bugs, and along with that, it's also due to the hardware that you have inside the GoPro. As we all know, GoPro hasn't changed the processor inside their cameras for a very long time. They're still using the GP1 processor, which basically leads to a certain glitch where your GoPro just cannot connect to the app, and that leaves you in a space where you cannot transfer your media from your GoPro anymore into your phone. You can also not get software updates from the app on your phone to your GoPro. But there is another workaround for this. You can still continue to get software updates on your GoPro by manually updating your camera, and this is done through a computer. In this video, we're going to cover step by step. We're going to cover the manual procedure of using your GoPro, how you connect it to your computer, how you download the new software update, and what you actually need to do this. So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. For beginners, let's run down on all the things you actually need for this process. You're obviously going to need your GoPro. You're going to need a dongle or an SD card reader, whatever works, basis whichever computer you have. You're going to need your computer, and additionally, you're also going to need a stable internet connection so that you can download the firmware onto your computer and transfer it onto your GoPro. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to find out your GoPro serial number. Now, there are two ways of finding out your GoPro serial number. If you have a newer GoPro, you like the Hero 9 Black, you can go into your menu system, go into Preferences. Under Preferences, you want to go into the About menu and click on Camera Info, and you're going to get your serial number on your screen right there. The other way to do this is open up your battery compartment, remove the battery from your GoPro, and as you can see, there is a serial number posted inside this door, inside the housing. You can actually copy this down on a piece of paper or just type it out on your computer directly. Next, we're going to remove the SD card from the SD card slot, which is also within the battery compartment. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser on your computer, go to gopro.com/update, link in description. Once you're there, you're going to see an option to choose your GoPros. You choose whichever GoPro you're actually trying to update the firmware for. Choose update firmware manually, and you're going to be taken to another page where you're going to have to fill in your GoPro information. The page that you get redirected to is going to ask you for your camera info, where you're going to put your 14-digit serial number, you're going to put in your email address, tick both the checkboxes that are at the bottom of the page, and you're good to go. You now get the option to download the update. The update is going to download in a zipped file onto your computer. You want to unzip this file and you'll get a folder that's called update. Save it on your desktop and just keep it ready. And the next step is to just connect your SD card to your computer. You can use a USB hub, you can use an SD card reader or a USB to SD card connection. There are no restrictions depending on what kind of computer you have. Just connect your SD card to your computer, after which you just have to transfer that firmware update folder that you have on your desktop to your SD card, drag and drop it into the main folder. Once the update is finally copied onto your SD card, you can eject the SD card and remove it from your computer. And for the final step, you take your SD card and your battery, put it back into your GoPro, close the battery compartment door, power on your GoPro, and you're going to see that your GoPro automatically starts updating to the latest firmware. And once it's done, you're going to get an update complete notification on your screen, and your GoPro has finally been updated to the latest firmware. You're officially good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was another GoPro quick tip. As you guys know, I love my GoPro, so I'm going to have a lot more quick tips for new users and beginners on this channel. Stay tuned for more. See you next time. This is Nitin Chawla.